Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by preparing the device so the region change goes smoothly. First, update iOS to the latest release. This avoids compatibility or App Store issues. Next, back up your iPhone to iCloud or a computer and make sure you know your Apple ID and password. This is critical for re-signing in. If your account has active subscriptions or payment methods tied to another country, sign out of Apple ID when instructed. This prevents blocks later. Once done, open Settings and proceed to the next step. Now change the actual region inside Settings so the App Store and services reflect Canada. Tap your name, go to Media and Purchases, then View Account. You may need to authenticate. Choose Country/Region and pick Canada. Read and agree to the terms because this enables Canadian content. Next, update billing info. Enter a Canadian billing address and either add a Canadian payment method or select none if you don't have one. Make sure active subscriptions are canceled or transferable. Otherwise, finish by signing back into your Apple ID and verifying that Canadian content appears in the App Store and Apple Music. Restart your iPhone to ensure locale changes propagate into apps and system settings. If some apps still show the old region, check each app settings and re-download them from the Canadian App Store. If the change is blocked, it's usually due to active subscriptions or pending store credit. Cancel those or contact Apple support for a region hold release. That single troubleshooting step resolves most failures.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.